Why
What
did you
did
just do
Coco
that?
do keep watching to
Tell
find
me.
out?
Look at me.
Dad,
Look at
I'm
me.
not sure what you're on about.
Why did you do
I
it?
didn't do anything honest.
Tell me. Coco,
I'm
I'm
not
talking to
tell
you.
you anything.
Why did you do it? Look at me.
No,
Look at
I
me.
didn't do anything.
Why did you do it? Tell me, Coco. Why did you do it? This is supposed to be an indestructible toy. Coco ate it, didn't she? Hey, Diesel? I know it wasn't you. Okay, it wasn't you. I know it wasn't you. No, it wasn't you. No, but Coco did this. Did you, Coco? Coco? Come here. What's this? What's this? Coco, come here. Come here. Come here. What's this? What's this? What is it?